Well, these are pretty neat. These are unique to this truck and this year. They did this in the last year. They started this in FJ60s, but these are little mud-type flaps, splash guards that go around the front shock mount tower. And you can see the bracket that's here is held on by a Phillips panhead sheet metal screw. Screw, nut and bolted. That's stainless steel. The ones they use in the factory aren't stainless, but we're using these stainless ones because the factory ones are just really no good at this point. Are not usable. This is brand new rubber gasket. So this will go in and go right around the shock mount tower. A big splash spot when you hit the front tire hits water. This keeps the engine compartment dry as well. So just nice to see.
Sealed from the power steering box.
Oh, this one goes around the power steering box, I was told. So we have this brand new material that we cut. We cut this ourselves. It's no longer available through Toyota. I take that back. This is all just hand cut by us, but it's an exact replica of the Toyota product. So you can see we did our hole punches even.